What's up, YouTube? And I am not super down with shoe man.
But we do have a shoe for Atticus. I mean, y'all already saw the videos. I think both of them.
Yeah, they will have already seen the videos.
Atticus does not have any idea because we hid the box. So I wrapped it up and put it in a bag. But only one shoe so that he can get the other one out of the box.
After he looks at this one.
Yeah, it's the same shoe, obviously. Okay, open it. I picked these out for you.
Why? No, tell me what you see.
I already super.
What is it? And? What's wrong with brown? You were like, oh. Okay, you don't know. Okay, go ahead. What is it?
Wait, what? A Minecraft shoe?
Yeah.
I just noticed about the creeper.
Maybe it's not as noticeable as
Maybe not. But you see, that's like dirt and grass. And creepers. Yeah.
It also says Minecraft in it. Look at this. Look at this part.
He's gonna fall over. But do you see how it's dirt blocks and grass blocks on the shoe?
Mm-hmm.
Do-
Like
Not
the
blocks,
water and then the water.
Yeah, and then water in there. Yeah.
The box is cool.
Yeah, I don't know. See if the other one's different.
It's not. But you can take it out.
The same.
I'm gonna find something that is different.
There's nothing different.
Yeah, we really look at them.
So what do you think about them? Why?
I like the green right here because it's the inside.
Yeah.
And the dirt because it shows the dirt box, and of course I like the
Yeah, you like the creeper. Okay.
and then the other creeper.
And you can this white part of the laces doesn't.
You can put white laces in it
Yeah.
instead.
It's just an extra part. Like if the white laces don't stay right there, unless you want it to be white laces. See, it's just put in this part.
What do you think will look better, white or brown?
Me?
No, him.
Maybe white
That's what I was thinking.
because it would blend. Like it would kind of blend in with the creeper and the kind of different from the dirt.
The rest, yeah, because there's a lot of dirt.
Mhm.
So it'll give you
But
something a
hey.
little bit different.
Now your shoes will look like they're dirty because they already are.
They're dirt.
Dirty.
But Haley saw we saw it. Well, I already made a video on them. This is just for you to get them, this video. Haley saw these at work, and they only came in men's sizes, like my size.
You remember the Lego shoes? We tried to look for them for you, and they only came in men's sizes everywhere.
And this was
It
the
was
same
another
way.
Kind of thing like that.
But she was like, oh man, I gotta get these for Atticus. Atticus would love these.
So like 4 months later.
They finally
You
came.
bought them?
Well, I bought them with his money. I was gonna pay him back.
Oh.
But yeah, I said it's fine. You can. But she thought of you. This was all because she thought they were so nice for. Oh.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. So you like them? Do you like them better than your 312s? The red ones?
I think they are both good.
They're both good.
They're like equal.
Equal. Okay, cool.
I'm gonna see if these fit mine.
And you're ready? Ready?
How is it? Different.
Like dirt.
All right, Atticus. So we're saying something different in our videos now. We're gonna say, "Do you like those?" Ask me if I like those.
Do you like this?
You bet. Do it. You bet. You bet. Say.
You bet!
You bet.
Oh, and subscribe. Hit the notification. Comment down below.
If you
Hey,
like the
Grandma.
shoes, what are they gonna comment? Just to
Comment
comment
down below if you like the shoes.
It's like, do you think this is a great shoe for someone who likes Minecraft?
Yeah.
Or somebody
And-
who loves
And
Minecraft?
it's not like you don't have anything to wear with that because it doesn't have to match because you have like 800 Minecraft shirts.
Yeah.
That too.
Yeah. And you can wear them. You can model them off in your room since your room is Minecraft.
My whole bed has my name.
In Minecraft blocks. All right, you gonna say goodbye? You already said all the other stuff. Just say goodbye.
No, let your grandma.
Oh yeah.
I did say that.
No, you didn't.
Tell your grandma. Peace.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers. Mmm. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.